In the vast expanse of human history, there are objects that whisper tales of forgotten times. The Voynich Manuscript is one such enigma. This book, a collection of writings and illustrations, has perplexed scholars for over a century. Its origins are shrouded in mystery. Its language remains undeciphered. The Voynich Manuscript stands as a tantalizing puzzle, a testament to the enduring power of the unknown. Imagine holding this artifact in your hands. Its pages are filled with strange symbols and intricate drawings. You turn each page carefully, hoping to unlock its secrets. But the Voynich Manuscript guards its knowledge closely. It offers glimpses of a world we don't understand. The Voynich Manuscript is a reminder that our understanding of the past is always incomplete. It beckons us to explore the unexplored corners of knowledge. This mysterious book invites us to confront the limits of our understanding and to marvel at the wonders that lie beyond our grasp. The Voynich Manuscript first appears in historical records in the late 16th century. It belonged to a court in Prague, likely owned by Emperor Rudolf II. The manuscript then vanished for centuries, resurfacing in 1912. Wilfrid Voynich, a rare book dealer, discovered it in an Italian villa. This chance encounter marked the beginning of a century-long effort to understand the enigmatic book. Voynich's discovery ignited a firestorm of interest. Scholars and cryptographers were eager to decipher the manuscript's secrets. They pored over its pages, searching for clues. Some believed it held the key to ancient wisdom. Others suspected it was an elaborate hoax. But the Voynich manuscript refused to yield its secrets easily. Despite countless attempts, the manuscript's script remains undeciphered. Its illustrations, a bizarre mix of plants, stars, and anatomical diagrams, only deepened the mystery. Was it a scientific treatise, a religious text, or something else entirely? The Voynich manuscript seemed to taunt researchers with its impenetrability. The Voynich manuscript is a puzzle box with many layers. Its pages are filled with strange symbols, seemingly random at first glance. These symbols, however, exhibit patterns. They appear and reappear in specific combinations, hinting at a structured language. Some scholars believe it's a code, meticulously crafted to conceal its message. The illustrations offer another layer of intrigue. Strange plants, unlike any known species, fill its pages. Celestial charts depict unknown constellations. Anatomical drawings blur the lines between fantasy and reality. These illustrations could be the key to unlocking the manuscript's secrets. They may hold clues to the time and place of its creation. Over the years, numerous theories have attempted to explain the Voynich manuscript. Some suggest it's an ancient herbal detailing forgotten remedies. Others propose it's a treatise on alchemy or astrology. Some even believe it's a message from an extraterrestrial civilization. While intriguing, these theories remain speculative. The Voynich manuscript continues to guard its secrets. The Voynich manuscript has challenged generations of code breakers. Traditional methods have failed to crack its code, but the digital age has brought new tools and techniques to the forefront. Researchers are now using artificial intelligence and machine learning to analyze the manuscript script. These advanced algorithms can identify patterns and anomalies that escape the human eye. They can compare the Voynich's script to thousands of other languages, searching for similarities. While success is not guaranteed, these technologies offer a glimmer of hope. The Voynich manuscript may yet reveal its secrets to the power of computation. The Voynich manuscript is a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge is an ongoing journey. It teaches us that some mysteries take centuries to unravel, and it challenges us to never stop questioning, exploring, and seeking answers to the universe's most perplexing riddles. Perhaps, one day, the Voynich manuscript will no longer be history's greatest mystery. But until then, it will continue to captivate our imaginations and inspire us to push the boundaries of human understanding.